Once, in the quiet city of Mecca, the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was feeling sad. Some unkind people said hurtful things to him. They wanted him to feel small, forgotten, alone. But Allah never lets His special servants feel alone. That night, like a warm light entering a dark room, Allah revealed a beautiful surah, Surah Al-Kawthar. Ayah 1. Allah's wonderful gift. Inna a'tainaka al-kawthar. Allah said, "My beloved Prophet, I have given you Al-Kawthar." Al-Kawthar is a river in Jannah, brighter than the moon, sweeter than honey, cooler than the softest breeze. And along with it, Allah gave the Prophet ﷺ countless blessings, love, honor, and a name that will shine forever. Allah was telling him, "You are never forgotten, you are never alone." Ayah 2. A heart full of thankfulness. فَصَلِّ لِرَبِّكَ وَانْحَرْ. When Allah gives you something special, what do? You say, Alhamdulillah. You pray, you do good, you share kindness. Allah taught the Prophet ﷺ and every child listening, whenever you feel blessed, let your heart bow to me in thanks. Ayah 3. Allah protects you from harmful words. Inna shani'aka huwal abtar. Then Allah comforted him again. My Prophet, the ones who hurt you with their rude words, they will be the ones forgotten. And look around today. Children all over the world know the name of Muhammad ﷺ with love. His teachings fill homes, hearts, and bedtime stories, just like this one. The lesson for every child: you are never alone. Allah is always near. When someone is mean, don't let their words enter your heart. Count your blessings and always show Allah you are thankful. And remember, Allah gives the greatest gifts to those who stay kind, patient, and thankful.